Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on Gate.io. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gate website right here, gate.com, if you're not already. So once you've done that, you are going to go and be greeted by this home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started with accessing the platform. So you're going to have the login and sign up button in the upper right corner that you're going to need to be using to be able to purchase anything on Gate. So if you do not already have an account, you can use the sign up option. If you have one, you can just go and log in normally, and once you've logged in, this is going to be the home page. From here we can get started checking out the markets, the crypto trading sections, and so on, and all the pieces of news that are available to us. So let's go and take a look at how to buy SpaceX stock. Basically, you have the stocks option right here at the top of the screen that you can use for IPO access or US stocks, but an easier way to go ahead and find SpaceX if you're in a hurry is just using the search button right here in the upper right corner. This is going to enable us to search for SpaceX using this search bar at the top of the screen, and it's going to show us the spot tradings. As you can see, you have the USDTs for SpaceX right here, and you have the stocks. Currently the stocks are closed, so you're not going to go and be able to get into them, but as you can see, you can log in and get started buying and selling the shares. So basically this is how to get started purchasing SpaceX. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.